your trials today for teaching a theory that violates many of the core values of the members of our great society. You claim that the earth is not the center of the universe, but that the sun is. How do you plead?
Your Honor, I plead not guilty.
Then I shall proceed. The allegations against you are many, but I today will only focus on three. First, that the earth is not the center of the universe, yet that the sun is. How do you explain the rising of the sun in the east and the setting in the west?
Your Honor, it is easily explainable by the earth rotating on its axis every 24 hours. If one is rotating in such a fashion, objects visible around you tend to appear and disappear regularly.
Ah, that is one explanation. But what further evidence do you have that the earth is not the center of the universe?
One of the best indications is the motion of other planets. If we observe the apparent location of Mars, for example, over a period of months, it will from time to time appear to reverse its course through the heavens for several weeks before continuing its eternal journey through the night skies. The only logical explanation for this activity is the Earth circling the Sun at a faster rate than Mars, passing it in its orbit. For example, if you are driving a fast horse in front of your carriage and you pass a much slower horse going at a slower rate of speed, it seems that the slower carriage is moving backwards rather than forward relative to your speed.
But my own observations of the planet Venus show no such tendency to reverse its course. Explain.
That is correct, Your Honor. Venus thus can be observed to be closer to the sun than the Earth. So we never speed past it in its orbit. This can be further confirmed by observing it through my telescope. You will see that as it becomes closer to the Earth, and therefore brighter, it goes through phases as does the moon, becoming dark during a period of time when it is between the Earth and the sun. Mars, being farther from the sun than the Earth, shows no such phases.
Well thought out arguments, but they're wrong. I can prove it. You have obviously forgot the idea of paradox. While, for example, changing my position in this room while looking out the window a few feet will change my perspective of the distant trees in your so-called orbit. The Earth and the stars will seem to change, but they don't. Please explain this to me.
Your Honor, I will admit I also found this matter perplexing, until I realized the distance to those stars must be very great indeed, far beyond the limits of our mortal mind's ability to grasp. Parallax must be taking place, but at such a small amount as to be immeasurable with our current abilities to measure it. With that, I place myself at the mercy of the jury.
Then I ask that you be executed as a heretic and an enemy of the state.